Ideally situated in sought-after Portland Heights, this home features historic charm with beautiful upgrades. Within walking distance to the zoo and excellent schools, it's located on a private half-acre lot. Formerly on the Portland Garden Tour, you'll enjoy a secluded oasis with trails, private nooks, and spacious decks. Heading inside, discover an inviting layout with gorgeous updates and tasteful finishes. You'll find gracious living spaces, perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or family gatherings. The gourmet kitchen is ready for the chef and the family with fine finishes, a 5-burner gas cooktop, peaceful views, and abundant storage space. Up a few stairs, you'll find the private master suite, well appointed with a cozy window seat and a luxurious master bath. On the same level, you'll find 3 more generous bedrooms and another full bath. On the top level, you'll find a flexible space, a guest or nanny suite. On the lower level, a spacious family room is ready for movie night or family fun. The expansive decks are perfect for hosting large or small gatherings in this peaceful private setting. Your own backyard is ready for exploring, where you can enjoy the quiet, winding trails, native plants, and the seasonal creek. Living here, you'll enjoy easy access to walking and running trails, downtown Portland, and Providence Park, while enjoying this quiet, friendly neighborhood. You'll find it all here on Southwest English Court, and it's ready for you to call home. For more information, please contact Melissa Familio with Premier Property Group at 503-521-6280.